so mine's good. They got boba.
Why you gotta say that like that?
Say it like what?
Boba.
That's how I talk.
No, you. Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. We can't do it like that. Is this better? Can y'all see me? Hey guys. I don't even know how to open my sunroof. Hold on. Which one is it? Is the lighting better? Y'all like my hair? Y'all feeling my hair? I got a butterfly ponytail. Oh, please don't fall. Okay, y'all look a little stable. Okay. Hey guys. Welcome back to another video. My name is Honey Bunny. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because trust me, you want to be here. I didn't really want to start the vlog off the way that I was looking before because it just give me starting on the rough patch, wrong foot, the wrong start, wrong, you know what I'm saying? So I had to regroup and come back. So here I am. I apologize for the angle, but baby, let's just get the vlog rolling. So I'm trying to keep a cadence of vlogging my weekends, right? If you're watching this video right now, I still have a video that I have not finished editing the footage that I still need to upload. So I will send that to you. Send it to who? I still have a video that I have not edited yet that I need to upload. So by the time you're watching this one, you've already seen that one. This weekend is prom weekend for my bonus son. Yes, my big son has prom this weekend. This has been so, I don't want to say stressful to plan, but it has been very tedious. I'll say that. We're almost there, I guess. Woo! Today is Thursday. Prom is Saturday. It's also Memorial Weekend, so just trying to tie together a whole lot of loose ends. I'm gonna try and film as much as I can and not break down. Like, there has been so much planning and just trying to make sure this happens, make sure that happens. He's also leaving for school soon, so it's like we're trying to do that simultaneously. It's just a lot going on, okay? So I'm gonna try to vlog this weekend and see what kind of things we can get into. I don't really have any plans outside of the actual prom send-off and prom night, but I'll just try to get some behind the scenes footage while I'm on my drive home. We've been watching a lot of, I don't want to say a lot because it was like really just 2 shows, but we watched the Kevin Hart show, the one where, is it called Funny AF? I'm not sure, where they're like doing like this American Idol style competition where like they will eliminate 1 or 2 comedians each round. We watched that. I thought that was really cool. I enjoyed watching that. And then we watched the Kevin Hart roast after that. That was really funny. It's 3 hours long, but I watched every bit of it, like every bit of it. And I never considered myself to be a Kevin Hart fan. Like, I never thought Kevin Hart was funny, for real. I've never thought he was funny. Like, he said some funny things, but I never thought he was funny as far as stand-up. And I rarely watch any of his movies, so can't judge by that either. But I enjoyed those two. Shows. Watched that. We've been watching, obviously, the playoffs, basketball. I just started Insecure this week. I started from season 1. I'm trying to watch it from my super adult eyes, because when it first came out, I don't know if I was processing some of them situations through this now much more mature experience lens. So I'm watching that again. And yeah, we haven't been hanging out, going out, or nothing like that. It's like we've been a slave to senior activities, or just bills first. Obviously the bills, they come and they snatch the money out your account, but just taking care of things and making sure like he's situated when he goes off to school, and of course being able to enjoy what he has going on right now while he's still in his last days of high school. But I'm ready to go out and have fun do a little something. I know I got my concerts coming up. I mentioned that to y'all a couple vlogs ago. But what y'all been up to? What y'all been up to? What shows are y'all watching? Or what shows or movies would y'all recommend? Because we need something added to our little arsenal of things to watch. When is the last time I picked the phone up? When's the last time I picked the camera up? I feel like I was sitting right here the last time. Anyway, it's Friday. I'm taking Kobe to training, and I need to finish up my last hour of work. I got my laptop right here. Tomorrow is the day, okay? And it seemed like anything. Let me not say that. I gotta sit outside, sit training outside. So I'm trying to do some things differently, as far as like health wise, I guess. So I'm putting on my balm, on my lip. That was the Edom one, mind y'all. I haven't been like the biggest fan of it, but it does what it need to do. This is in the color Shakura Shaved Ice. That's one of the new shades. And then I got this Edom sunscreen. It's a sunscreen and a primer, so I have yet to try it with like for my makeup, but I like the fact that it's a roll on, so you just put it all over your face. I'm doing a rush job right now because I could have did this at home, but I grabbed it and ran out the house. And yeah, so you just put it all over and protect that skin. I feel like I just did a whole Edom advertisement for y'all just now. But I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna go sit. Let me put my glasses back on because I gotta work. I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna go sit with my son through training. And I'll check back in with y'all later. Like, I haven't been doing anything but working today. My husband been ripping and running all day, like getting stuff ready for tomorrow. And I just hope things continue to go up. It's real cloudy right now today, and I hope it's not like this. I mean, if it's cloudy, that's one thing, but I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. If it rains tomorrow, that's the absolute worst thing that can happen for us. Whew. But all right, I'll call y'all back when something going on. I'm not gonna lie, I would like to know why she made this so big. Like, girl, why would you swoop that big like that? I'm gonna need the baby girl. It's like I be wanting my hair done, needing my hair done, but when I get my hair done, they be pissing me off. Like, the anxiety I feel before the appointment, and then all the changes, and just anyway, I'm home, as y'all can tell, and this is the night before prom day. I'm talking about stress. I'm stressed like to the sky. Like, it's so much to prepare for, like the day before. Like, I don't want to complain. I don't want to speak on exactly what is going on. Just know that I am super overwhelmed. And when I'm overwhelmed and sad, having a bad day, a bad moment, whatever it is, my pick me up, and my husband has resorted to this several times since I first tried it, If I'm sad, he tell me, you want kava? I'll buy you kava. And he knows, like, I always want kava. Now, I don't always want kava, but when I get kava, it does make me feel better. So it's 8:55 right now, and I just put in the order for kava. The line always long, the pickup never ready at the time that you schedule the pickup for. So I put my order in, and I'm gonna wait until they text me to tell me that it's ready, and then I'm gonna drive over there. Kava like 20 minutes away from me, but I don't care. Wow, they just picked, they literally just text me right now and said your order is ready. I never got a text that quick before. It literally just popped in. If y'all don't believe me, like, I have the thread open right here. They just text me and say it. But now I gotta wait, because I thought it wasn't gonna be ready until like 5 minutes after 9. Anyway, I can warm it up, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I'm gonna go get kava, shower, eat, watch a little TV until I fall asleep. Because baby, like, I want y'all to, I feel like I feel the same stress I had the day before Quan birthday dinner. I cannot say that I was stressed the day of Kevin's prom, because I was pretty relaxed. Like, I was helping her get things done and making sure, like, if she needed little extra things, like, I you know. But I don't want to say I was stressed. This right here, I'm stressed out. And I know my husband is 10 times more stressed than I am. I'm just rambling. I'm sorry, y'all. I just need an outlet. And I wanted to vlog. Like I said, I wanted to vlog the weekend. So I'm just going to have, I don't know, clips of me complaining or nothing at all. That's what it seemed like. Because I got to remember to take the camera out. I'm going to just talk to y'all tomorrow. And y'all pray for me. Y'all pray for me. The number of things that we're going through, like, well, I'll give y'all a little sneak peek. I'll give y'all a little sneak peek of one of the problems. Yes, one of the problems. The people that the rental car was reserved with let him know today that the car isn't available anymore. Supposedly due to some kind of mechanical issue. Supposedly. Allegedly. Because of some mechanical issue, the car isn't available. But it's like, that forces us to scramble to come up with a different car by tomorrow. And not just like any car. You know, it's not like you go to Enterprise, get you. No, you have to find one that's presentable. One that also matches his look, like his color scheme. Like, and yeah, we need it tomorrow. Tomorrow. Good night.
The following day.
Trying to check in and keep y'all updated. Just know any gaps in which that I'm missing, through the roof. The stress through the roof.
Something I had to earn, but it's water in the morning. Letting my body
Love you.
Love you too.
Time check. It is 2:44. We're picking up
What's good, chat?
some drinks. Our planned start time was 5:30 for the guests to arrive. So that's what, about a little under 3 hours. We have to go home and get dressed and come back down here. It's hot as heck. And yeah, I take you out to dinner. I'll give you a massage, show you how loved you are, going above and beyond. 20 on my 80, ain't no baby. Okay guys, update. I turned on my LMA to kind of like calm my nerves down. It is currently 5:29, so basically 5:30. 5:30 was the actual start time. That's when we like told the guests that they can start arriving. And his walkout time is supposed to be 6:30. I think we can do it because he don't have to do like hair and makeup and all of that kind of stuff. So I think we can still be on schedule for that. It's cloudy outside. I'm okay with it being cloudy as long as it doesn't rain. It was really hot and sunny earlier, so I had already, you know, put my little look together or whatever. So as y'all see, I have on this visor, but it's no sun out. Like, it's literally no sun out. But this is my look, so I'm committed. I gotta stick with it. I gotta see it through. It doesn't matter if the sun isn't out. This is the fits, okay? I asked Barbie if I looked like I was going camping because I feel like a safari, like a with the man that used to be wrestling the alligators, Steve, somebody. Anyway, who's calling now? Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
I'm just calling to check on you. You good?
Yeah, I'm on the way.
Okay. All right.
All right.
We pulling up.
Okay.
You want us to wait for you?
To get out the car? Or Shelby there?
She should be.
Okay.
Still 5 minutes away. So you want us to wait for you with Shelby?
I mean, y'all can go inside and get like set up, like take his stuff out and whatever. I'm not far.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think his name's Steve. He passed away. R.I.P. to that boy. But yeah, my nerves are like kind of bad, but they're better than they were, because we're this close to the finish line. This close. Whew. My biggest thing is obviously that he enjoys himself, but also that he is safe tonight, in that supercar. And like, just Lord, please watch over my son, please, God. I trust in you. I know that you've got your arms around him at all times, so I need you to pull him extra close tonight. We'll be present while he's driving, but kind of still like giving him his space. I am terrified of those cars, but I also believe in God, so I know that this will work out totally fine. And yeah, his after prom activities, whatever he's choosing to get into, I pray that that's a safe environment, and he just makes it back home safe. Him and all of his friends, everybody's child, but especially him and his friends. Not especially, I'm sorry, y'all know what I mean. I just hope tonight is a good night. Yeah, so Shelby is coming to do the video. I surely hope that the road is not too loud and y'all can hear me. If you hear the road or the air condition, whatever, just try to listen past it. Shelby is coming to do his like videography and photography. They should be there right now setting up. That's what I like just told them on the call. But yeah, I seem to only be picking up the camera when I'm in the car, and that's because that's the only like not downtime but like quiet time, because anytime I'm getting out of the car, I'm unloading or putting something somewhere, or just, you know, I'm using my hands, so I can't really record like that. But I'm still trying to document this moment for like our own memories, like that we can look back on, not just for vlogging purposes, but that we can look back on this day and see like what we were going through on prom day. It's been a doozy. It's absolutely been a doozy, but I think things are falling into place, and it'll go well. I'll try to record his coming out, or I'll probably just have to wait until Shelby uploads her footage and then I'll link it or something like that. I don't know how it's gonna go, but I'll call y'all back.
Take me a picture.
Baby, get out the way. Hi.
You miss so much.
Look at my baby, look at my baby, look at my baby. Larry.
Turn up for the vlog. Prom 2022, we here.
Yeah, we behind the scenes.
Hey. We here. How you feeling?
I don't think I threw that. All I happening is we got some food left.
It's supposed to be a real
One, two.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think it might be some curry chicken and white rice though.
Ooh, y'all had curry chicken?
It might be some curry chicken and white rice though. Y'all just saw footage from another prom watch that we pulled up on, which is like at this whole little venue, like it's giving like real party, but they're about to pull out now. I had to get out the way and come back before the traffic get too busy and I can't move. Overall, I'm just grateful that our prom send-off was a success. I pray God just bring my son back home safe, without injury, without any, like, just protection at all times around him. I'm hot, I'm tired. Hello? Across the street. It's a long line at that light. Okay, I'm gonna get in line now. Okay. All right. That's my husband saying meet him at the gas station. I need to call my cousin because she followed me. She's probably getting footage. Yes, I still got the hat on. I told y'all I have to commit. Yes, I know it's nighttime, but I don't know what my edges look like under here, so I don't really want to pull it off yet.
What the venue at? They finna go to the venue?
The prom?
Yeah, the prom. Because I think that's what they finna. I think Vari was saying, Big Vari said we just finna go, but I think Vari wanted to come over here. But Big Vari, like, he
just told me to go over there.
To the shells?
Yeah, or the plaza. He said either the plaza or the shell that they going over there. Okay. But did they even pull out? I don't know where they were parked at.
Yeah. Because they doing pictures right now, but they finna do the pull off.
But Vari not in there. Lil Vari not in there.
Vari not in there. He didn't know how to get in the gate. So I think they was walking out on that side. Okay. Well, I think Vari wanted to come over here, but I don't know.
Well, he literally just called me and said meet him over there. Okay, he on the phone.
Okay, so
hello?
Did you go to the shells?
On the corner. Sit right here on the corner.
Y'all look, prom 2026, y'all. Listen, crazy, crazy, crazy. They in the church playing G Herbo.
Yeah. Okay.
Crazy.
Okay.
We trying.
They about to do a whole little pull out. I don't know what kind of car. I don't know how many people. I don't know.
Yeah, she vlogging.
I don't know.
Cut that out. Cut that out.
No, thank you. No, thank you.
Out of control. What okay, so that's gonna go to the chill. But I don't know. Meet y'all at the venue so we can be that ahead of y'all, cause it's gonna be crazy.
I'm really about to see what he's finna do, cause honestly, I know y'all gotta go back south to head home anyway, but here come Vari right here.
He gotta get some more shots. He gotta get some more shots though, right?
He trying to, honestly, if we don't get him, we don't. If we, cause he wanna hang with his friends. He don't really wanna, you know, control his whole little night. So if this the end of it, then that just be it. That'll just be it.
They be ready. They ready to have fun. They night.
Oh, that's not
what y'all decided about. Y'all finna go to the venue? But what if it's Jungle Island, right?
I think so. No, I didn't finish your drink. You must have finished it. I didn't touch your drink, babe.
I mean, he finna come through now. Like
See, they started doing all this crazy pull out. Where he parked at?
He in this line right here.
Coming forward?
Yeah.
So what, he just finna stay here?
Let me see. No.
probably listening to that, but that's not him. That's my boy right there. Lamb chop right there.
Maybe you asked him if you wanted to take some photos, baby.
Me? Careful, baby. It's a wrap, folks. Top back. 2-seater, just me. I don't even know if the car in the right gears, guys. Like, for real. It sounds like it don't sound like it's in the right gear. I knew I shouldn't have drove this car, but I'm gonna keep on going all the way to the house. My camera blurry, like it's not focusing. Y'all didn't think I was on this road by myself, did y'all? Of course not. Of course not.
Y'all ain't even seen it yet. BT the burrow.
Hey guys, happy Sunday. It's the day after prom. I'm up, I'm early. I actually been up. I went to sleep probably like 2 something, and I woke up at like 7 something. And I'm not tired. Not yet. I think it's because I feel relieved. I feel like I got past something so major. Like I was losing sleep. Like I was waking up in the middle of the night about this. So I know that it was like weighing heavy on me. Like just wanting it to be special and as close to perfect as it could be. And I'm satisfied with the turnout. My husband is satisfied with the turnout. I'm hoping Vari is too. He seemed to have enjoyed himself and he liked his look and all, you know, just everything. His car, just great. I don't know I don't remember what footage I actually caught last night or what would actually make it into the vlog today. But overall, like I said, I had a good time. But yeah, I had a laser appointment this morning that I could have made it, but the timing in which we have to take the car back, I couldn't really do both at one time, so I just called them to reschedule it. So I'll probably go there tomorrow. Well, that's what I rescheduled it for, so I hope I can make it tomorrow. Girl, if you don't run that iguana over, that car just slammed on brakes because it was an iguana in the road. Child, hit him.
It's that bird in the VIP line with the V-time and the East run.
Used to drive the Nissan, and she in a Beamer. I don't want her, cause she from the corner. And I heard that Beamer was the loner. My old man the owner. And I don't even drink Coronas. What type of drink you want, bro? I'm champagne for them. I'm dirty Sprite for them. You come sit with me. If you like to change the weather. If you want a little better, we can buy a grill wherever. Don't get too thirsty. Get used to the cheddar. I wanna tell the world about you just so they can get jealous. And if you see her before I do, tell her I wish that I been. Turn on the lights. I'm looking forward to. I heard she